Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a great little unboxing for you. It's my second Squatch box. So let's get into it and see what we get. Alright guys, so let's get into it and see what I get out of the final Squatch box. Told you guys in my last video that they had 5 left. Well, guess who picked up the last one? So, let's see. Now at this point, I don't know if the seal book has been claimed or the gold gambit. I know that's another one that people's been chasing. I know the Punisher covers that he did have been claimed. The Swamp Thing cover has been claimed. So let's see. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, squatchy always black tape. So let's get off the black tape. Alright. Alright, so here we are. So we got another Harry and the Hendersons sticker. Another squatchy glitter, you know, psychedelic Squatch. We got a black and white Bigfoot silhouette. Alright, I do got in this one, thank you. So, you just use the squatchy password in this one. Quick look. And you get the 20% off your next Squatch box. So very cool. So let's get into it. So it says start here. So let's see what we got. Alright. Ninja Penguin? Only squatchy, man. Only squatchy. I don't even know how these things exist without him being there buying these up. But that is a very, very cool cover. Alright, alright. That's a very cool cover. I gotta admit. Rock Roll Vanilla Ice. Look at that. Ice, ice, baby. But I ain't singing it. I don't need another clip of me out there. But that is a very cool cover. Tomb of Darkness. You gotta love these old-time horror comics. Very cool. Alright, so next up, Dark Horse Presents. Very cool. It's an Alien vs. Predator. Very cool cover. Been liking them. I've been digging them Predator comic books. Monsters in the Prowl. Very cool. A nice 20-cent goodness. Very cool cover and very good shape. Awesome. Marvel Chiller. Tigra. Alright. Very cool cover. Justice League of America. Very cool cover. And know what? The next book. Oh, that's an awesome, awesome book. Alright. This is one that was on my pull list that I really wanted to get. And it's newsstand. And it is Godzilla, King of Monsters. And on the back it says, last sold July 14th, $99. That is awesome. In really good shape. So thank you, Squatch. That's another one. All right. And here we go. This should be the final sketch cover. All right, let's see. Superman, Man of Steel. Awesome. I gotta admit, he really did this one really good. And the nice thing, I know somebody would really like this book. Johnny 5. He does love his Superman, but that is a very, very cool sketch cover. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Squatch, for your very cool artwork. I love everything I've ever gotten from you. All right, so that is it. So, really cool sketch cover. And I got Godzilla, King of the Monsters. Awesome. Alright guys, so there we go for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed this Squatch box. I will see you guys next time. WarLord, out.